All right, guys. Out here on the ocean again this morning. Sun's in my eyes. Flat as a pancake. It was a 30-mile ride out across here. Beautiful day. No wind. Just got me and George this morning. There.
What's up?
And we're gonna do some bottom fishing. Joe and Heidi and Rich and Jessica are dropping crab pots, and then they're heading down this way too, so they'll be fishing around us somewhere today. I brought the little kitty rod. I'm gonna try to catch one on that today. We'll see how that goes, but stick around. We're gonna have a good day whether we catch anything or not. Well, guys, I caught my first ever salmon while I'm bottom fishing, and George doubled up with a lingcod, but I think it's a short one. We'll probably have to put it back. But crazy stuff, man. There's about 10 of them that followed my stuff up. Anyhow, I'm gonna get him loose and let him go. So just thought I'd show you that. That's pretty cool. Whale came up right here.
Girl, see where it's disturbed over there? There's something there too.
Oh, yeah. That might be fish though. Yeah, he's right there. He's just circling around right there.
Dude.
Oh, I got the bottom. There he goes. He's diving down. Fish on. Oh, canary. Decent one.
Nice. Keeper?
Yeah, we'll keep that. Hold still.
Don't make
Ouch.
me more wet than I need to be.
Nice little canary. We'll take that one for sure. Dragon ball. You get one?
I'm not sure.
No. Oh. No, you didn't get one.
Yeah, I did.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, you did. What? No, well, let me see that. Let me see that. Tiniest
That's
sea
the
bass
smallest of
ever.
all. What is it?
Sea bass.
Oh.
That's crazy. Huh.
I can't tell.
Sea bass. Sea bass. Throw it in here. Woo. That's a good one. Nice. All right, what? Let me. There. That's a deacon.
A what?
A deacon rock bass.
Nice.
Good size one. Or decent size. Oh, hey, I got one over here too.
Good.
Double up. Hey, this one's pulling hard.
This thing fought a little.
I only got one, but I thought I snagged him, but I didn't. Another little deacon. Okay, go back down. When they're here, you gotta fish.
Yes, sir.
That's how you get limits, man. You drift over them too fast otherwise. Okay, that's 2, 3 in the boat. 3 keepers, should say. I got another one. Man, we're gonna limit quick. How about that? I'm about ready to throw that little one back.
Why is this going rough? Something's wrong.
Hold still.
Oh, I'm rough.
Fish. Hold still. Fish. Hold still.
Ah, come on.
That. He got out of my hand. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. You'll do that sometimes. Just dropped down and got one. What the? China rockfish.
Instead of having to reel up, I had to drop down.
I don't want him. He's a pretty fish, but I don't want him. Go away.
Where's your battery? Boo.
Oh, another canary. Throw it up in here. That's actually a pretty nice one. Grab that and see if I can get a hook in my hand. Nope.
Sweet.
There you go. Another nice canary. We'll keep that one.
2 for me, 2 for you.
All right, boys. We're using this one. I'm gonna see if I can catch one. I got a lure on one of those jigs that Ottercat made. I'm gonna see if I can get it and get something on there.
How deep is it roughly?
32 feet.
I'm maxed out. Why is it?
Here on the tip. There you
Not
go, you
anymore.
got it. I should have cast it in front of me is what I should have done. I'll probably end up losing some gear with this light line, but I also have a light jig, so it might work out. See if we can get something with it.
Dude, I am
You
not.
got, what do you got?
I'm not.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna break off here in a minute. Ah! Nope, I think that one's gonna go bye-bye.
How deep is it?
Oh. 30, it was 30. It's 41 feet now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to break that one off. I didn't want to do that.
There's something where I'm at. Oh, I had some nibbles.
Oh, I might have got it. Felt like I had some weight on there still. Let's see. Oh, one came up and got it right there. And then, oh, he's still there. Bite that thing. There it is. Got one.
Camera on?
Yeah, it is. He's taking drag, man. Come on. Come on, thing. Where you at? Where is the thing? It's not coming in. Oh, he's going.
Nibbles.
Yeah, buddy. We got a fight going on here.
How works you get the fight? I don't.
It's only because I got light gear. Yeah, buddy. There he comes. Oh, nope, he's going bye-bye. Come here. There he goes. He's going down. He's going.
What'd you catch?
A sea bass. That thing was right. I saw it take it. It's all the way at the bottom again. All right, tighten drag a little bit. Come on. Oh, come here, come here, come here, come here.
I had nibbles earlier.
There's fish down there.
I'm noticing you have a
Hey,
sea bass.
stay here.
Little cute pole. You should use that as your thumbnail.
Come here. Hey, stop going to the bottom. We ain't got time for this.
Well, you said we had time for
Oh,
it.
here it is. That's a good one. Come here. That's a good fish. Look at there. That's the biggest one. Biggest one on board so far. Check that out, guys. That's a dandy. Take a picture sideways so I can use it for my thumbnail. Actually, let me get on this side of the boat. You get on that side, because then I'll be in the sun. There you go. Like that.
It's ridiculous.
Come on. Right into the sun.
Ah,
He ain't fighting much anymore. He might not even know he's hooked.
That's the reason he's just casually getting drunk up.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I hope this isn't a big lingcod.
Why?
Because I think it'd wreck my line. He ain't even fighting.
I can't even tell.
Yeah, there, I feel. He decided he wasn't coming up after all for a minute there. Where you at, fish? Right into the sun.
Really?
Big lingcod. There, I see him.
Huh?
I see it. It's a sea bass.
Oh my word.
Decent one though.
How? How?
There you go.
Just as big.
No, it ain't quite. But
It's a little bit smaller. Yeah.
there's them. Joe and Heidi coming up.
I can't believe he did that again. Why is this? What?
That's one limit right there.
Yeah.
It's my new favorite pull. That's the second one I got on that one. They're both decent sized ones. Oh, we got serious drag going on. Hold it. Come here. Fishy, fishy. I don't know, George. Maybe you're gonna have to start fishing with this one.
That's the lure.
No, I think it is. I honestly do. Oh, come back, come back, come back. Here it comes.
Oh, I see it. Oh my word.
Oh yeah.
They're bass.
I'll let you pull the next one in on it.
Cool. You're doing way too good with it.
We'll get it back out there quick.
Hey, fish napping.
Let that go down for a while here. I'm letting George pull one in on the kitty pole. That's, what is that, third one we got on that one? Fourth.
No, it might be third.
Otter Cat's jigs work, man. Is it coming up?
Want to fight a little.
Can you see it? He's gonna go back down, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, there he goes. Step over to the other side of the boat and I'll get over here and pull it in when it comes up. Oh, he ain't coming up. Just keep working him. Slowly, we got all day. Don't tighten that too much, it's gonna break it. I'm surprised that line hasn't broke already, to be honest with you. 4 fish. Whenever you see it, step back this side.
I'm not sure.
And then I'll just grab the line.
Oops.
Hey, he ain't coming up. We got 6 fish in the boat now.
Oh, I see him.
He's right there. All right, step back the other side. Where you at? Okay. Oh man, he swallowed that thing. That's another good size one. There you go, Otter Cat. Your lure does pretty good. It's a good fish. It's sweet.
Yeah.
You should be able to see these jellyfish here in the water. One that I videoed underwater is just like those. That's pretty cool. See a bunch of those out here. Yeah, they're just hanging around. There's one down there. It's a little about 5 feet underwater. One back there. There's a bunch of these little clearer ones floating around as well. That's a tiny one. We'll keep it though.
It's a fish.
We'll keep it. Go back down and catch it. Whoa, got that all tangled up. Sorry. Here. Oh, they're just hooked together, I believe. There. There you go. Back down. You might get down. You might get the last fish before I get rigged up again. That's fine.
Ah.
So George hooked up. We only need 2 more fish. I just caught a quillback.
Where's the stupid thing at?
Oh, it's down there, Waze. Keep it coming.
Oh. See it.
You see it? Sea bass? Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Bring it right here.
Yes, it's heavy.
That's a good one there.
Woohoo!
Go back down quick. There's a nice one there.
Ah.
We'll take that one any day.
One more, let's go.
One more. All right, guys. I just turned the camera off and I got that one. And that little guy. There's the bait right beside it. Yeah, he was an ambitious little guy, but got this one and that one. And we are done. Limited out.
Woo!
George's first trip out with me. Well,
Alone.
almost alone. His family has been out with me before. But anyway. Alrighty, we're gonna wrap her up and go home. Alrighty guys, that was a good day. Took a little bit to get those last 2. It is now 11:11 in the morning. We came out, what, 7:30-ish? 7, probably later than that because we sat in line to launch the boat for a while. But anyway, not too bad of a day. Got our 10 fish and
Big day.
got George out here to catch some finally. Been wanting to get him out for a month or so, and finally it worked where the ocean was smooth enough. Anyhow, we're gonna head back in, and guys, thanks for coming along. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, share the video out, and come back for more next time. I'll catch you on the next one.